Have you ever seen those animated travel maps and thought, there's no way I can create something like that? Well, you're about to be surprised. Hi, welcome to Canva Shortcuts. Creating this animation is much easier than you think. First, open Canva and create a new design. I'm using 1280 times 720 pixels, but you can choose any size you need. Next, go to Apps and search for Map Video. Open the app, then choose the length of your animation and select your preferred plane icon. Now, simply choose the country where your journey starts and the destination country. You can also customize the animation by enabling flag fill and deciding whether you want to display text. I'll keep flag fill turned on. Finally, click Create Video. And just like that, within a few seconds, Canva generates a clean, professional-looking animated map that's ready to use in your videos. Follow Canva Shortcuts for more hidden Canva tools, tips, and time-saving tricks.